So today, let us proceed with our first topic. So it's all about the linear equation in one variable. So it can be written in the form of ax plus b is equal to c. Okay, so our competency is to solve linear equations in one variable. Okay, so but before that, anak, let us review first about algebraic expression. So when we say algebraic expression, it is a combination of variables, constant, and operation. So when we say variables, ito po yung mga letters. And when we say constant, numbers. And operation, how many operations do we have? 4. What are those? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, example of algebraic expressions. First, x plus 3. Based on the given, what is the variable? X. And what is the constant? 3. And what operation? Addition. So therefore, this is an algebraic expression. My variable, my constant, at my operation. Another we have x minus y. What are the two variables? X and y. May constant ba tayo dyan? Wala po. Pero meron tayong numerical coefficient. Pag sinabi natin, anak, na constant, number lang, walang katabing letters or variable. Pag sinabi natin numerical coefficient, ito yung number na katabi ng variable. At anong number po yun? 1. Very good. Kapag walang number, meron siyang imaginary 1. So therefore, the variables are x and y. And the numerical coefficients are positive 1 at negative 1. Next, we have xy. Or we can write this as x times y. Or the two variables are x and y. And the given operation is what? Multiplication. How about this one? 2x plus y. How many operations do we have? 2. Or what are the two operations? Multiplication. Very good. And addition. Because 2x can be written as 2 times x. That's why. So this is multiplication and this is addition. And then how many variables do we have? 2. What are those? X and y. And what are the two numerical coefficients? 2 and 1. Very good. Next, x over y. Ano operation yan? Very good. So x over y can be written as x divided by y. And then we have also a squared plus b squared. Ilang operations kaya yan? 2 rin. Ano yung dalawang operation na yon? Multiplication and addition. Bakit multiplication? Because a squared can be written as a times a. Then b squared can be written as b times b. The two operations are addition and multiplication. Ano yung tawag sa ginawa natin? In-expand natin. Expanded form po yan. Now, how about this one, anak? 1 plus 3. Do you think the given is an algebraic expression? No. Bakit po kaya? Very good. Kasi wala siyang variable. Although meron tayong constant, meron tayong operation, pero wala naman tayong variable. Another, 4 plus negative 6. Algebraic expression ba siya? No pa rin, kasi wala pa rin siyang variable. So, anong tawag kaya dyan? Okay, very good. That is the numerical expressions. Puro constant lang at operations. So, any question about algebraic expressions? Do you understand? And, also, let us define the meaning of equation. Or what is the root word? Equal. Very good. When we say equation, okay, equal. A mathematical statement that shows that two expressions are equal. Dalawang expression pero dapat sa dulo equal ang sagot. Example, x plus 3 is equal to 5. Or do you think the given expressions are equal? Masasabi ba natin na equal yung dalawang yan? Sa ngayon, hindi. Bakit? Kasi we need to identify first the value of x. O now, how to identify the value of x? Okay, using the solving equations. So, solving equations, anak, okay, means finding the value of the unknown, which is the variable. Yung variable po, yun yung unknown. Okay, identify natin ano yung value ng variable. Okay, unknown that makes the equation true. X plus 3 is equal to 5. Or using mental math, do you think we can easily identify the value of x? Yes, kasi madali lang yung given natin. O isip kayo, anak, ano yung pwede nating i-plus kay 3 na ang sagot ay 5? Very good. So, 2. Papalitan mo ngayon si x ng 2. Then, i-add natin 2 plus 3, 5. So, 5 is equal to 5. Kapag equal yan, ibig sabihin, true statement yon. At anong tawag natin kay 2? Si 2 po yung tinatawag nating solution. Or what we call the value of x. Para magkaroon tayo ng true statement. Do you understand? Okay, and